If he says something, he has 5 seconds to shut the stream down before it's permanently recorded on the internet forever.
I don't know what to refer to you guys as since you're kind of on stream.
Call me Big Gay.
I'm Big Daddy.
Yeah, sorry,
Alright,
sir. I'm gonna have to belt you now.
Are you ready to get the belt?
Okay, come on. Jesus Christ.
Oh,
What the hell is this achievement?
ball eater? Guys, you can eat the balls.
Hey, whoa, no swearing. You're on thin ice there, buddy.
King Christian Minecraft.
Dude, he's a freaking co-owner.
Why am I not the co-owner?
You're gonna ban everyone if they don't listen to your anime rants.
That's true. We need to get some music up in here so you can get this stream copyrighted.
No.
Oh, don't worry, I'm good at that. Okay, do you know all it takes? Just play the Starlight Zone theme and your video will get copyrighted by TAS Anime. Go into Audacity, turn up the pitch by 107%, and then erase it. Really?
Yo, Tim, it's
No,
him.
no, 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 no.
No,
Screw
pick
this.
up my magnum. Dude, pick up my magnum.
Dude, where is it?
It's in it.
Oh, damn.
It's in one of those shops, dude. Yeah, it's in the one that, yeah, it's that one. Right.
No, 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 God, no. Ah.
I told you the joke.
Hey, mate. Stop. Oh, fuck. Are you kidding?
No, no.
You're screwed, dude.
Ah, God damn it.
Hey.
Oh my god, who the hell is texting? Oh, okay.
Was it your girlfriend?
No,
Oh, okay.
not me. I can call my girlfriend right now if you want.
Alright.
Yeah.
Wait, what? No,
No, you don't?
well, I mean, like,
Dude, I can do it.
Wait,
I
you-
can send you some Instagram pics.
I'm
You
good.
want-
I don't. Wait a minute. Do you go on Instagram? Dude, what did I tell you about Instagram? It corrupts your mind.
Little do they know, I'm not even in the game.
Little do they know, I'm not in the game. Oh my, are we all spectators?
Maybe.
So, how's everyone's day?
Pretty good. I gained another subscriber today.
Really?
Maybe two.
That's nice, kill yourself.
Nice.
The Voluntary
What the-
Human Extinction Organization.
What's that?
Stop reproducing.
Legit?
Yes. You ever just had one of those days, like, the human race needs to be exterminated?
Oh, yes, all the time.
There's an underwater flaming toilet.
I know.
How many viewers do you stream have?
9 viewers.
Only 4 of them are real people, the other 5 are just my computer. Oh, they started giving us their own 400, yes!
Wait, how do you get them?
They just drop on the ground.
When does this end?
Never. It goes for eternity.
Hello! Oh, God. I'm trying to do a Toad impression, but my voice isn't cooperating. Hello! Toad!
Guys, please, spare the viewers' ears.
I'm gonna go to work today!
I would like to introduce you to Old Man Jenkins' shotgun.
Oh, God.
Shit, yo.
It's the kick reader. Now you know what we're gonna do? Just
Oh,
throw that in, right?
Oh god.
Oh my God! Dude. What's up, Tanto? I'm playing Gmod with my real life friends.
You say real life like you actually have friends. The shield base V2. What does this mean? Why is it in Russian? Oh
Guys,
my
guys,
God.
come over here.
What is going on? What is going on up in there?
Wait, we have double jump, by the way. Oh no, why did I do that? Ah! Oh fuck! They saw me and then they just beat the living crap out of me.
Tinky Winky.
Pipsy,
Uh-oh, spaghetti-o.
Wow.
Oh shit.
I'm red, dumbass.
I'm yellow.
You're black.
Hey, are we starting to segregate each other?
I
Teletubbies?
I have a question. Is this legal?
Probably not.
Probably not.
Now, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell like you're hitting,
Your wife.
No, wait, what?